In this video, we will talk about how to set up alerts on Anstrex InStream platform. Alerts allow you to get instant notification when new creatives matching your criteria are added on Anstrex platform. You can use this function to keep a close eye on your desired vertical or your competitors. I highly recommend that you view my previous video on advanced search, as this tutorial has close ties with advanced search query building. To get started with alerts, click on your user avatar to view a drop-down menu and select Alerts from the menu. This will open the Alerts page in a new browser tab. If it is your first time starting with alerts, you will see a template with a sample alert and a sample creative just to give you an idea on what this page will look like when you have active alerts. To create a new alert, click on the Add New Alert button. This action will open a new modal dialog box that will look extremely similar to Advanced Search Query Builder. At this point, you can either build a new query or use a previously saved advanced search query. In this video, I will use a previously saved query that I created in the advanced search tutorial. If you want to learn more on building a new query, please take a look at the advanced search tutorial, which covers this topic in detail. So, I am going to recall a previously defined advanced search which targets role-playing games on Android platform. As soon as I select the saved search, the rules get automatically populated for your reference. These rules will be used as a criteria to get alerts when new creatives are detected. You have three options as far as notification preferences are concerned. You can either use Chrome browser's push notification service to get an alert on your desktop when new creatives are detected, or you can receive an email alert. You will typically receive a single email once per day if new creatives are detected on that day. The third option is to completely opt out of the notification. If you opt out, you will have to manually visit Alerts page to view them. Please note that if you select a browser push notification, you will be prompted with a small pop-up asking for your permission to allow the notifications as shown on your screen. If you don't see the pop-up, please click on the settings icon as shown on your screen and allow push notification from Anstrex by sliding the switch to ON position. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Email Notification option. Once you set up the alert, you will see that the sample alert and sample creative will be automatically deleted, and your new alert will show up on the sidebar. You will not see any creatives immediately after you create the alerts. You will have to wait until new creatives are detected matching your criteria. If you have enabled one of the available notification options, you will be notified when new creatives are detected. We will now wait and show you this screen when it is populated. It has been a few hours and we have received an email notification, and as expected, we can see new creatives related to role-playing games on Android platform as defined in our Alert Query Builder. There is a date field on the top that allows you to filter the ads based on the date the creatives were first seen by Anstrex. Please note that you can always view and edit your alert by clicking on the information icon as shown on your screen. You can also delete an alert by clicking on the trash can icon as shown. This concludes our tutorial on alerts. We will see you again in another video. Until then, cheers!